Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Meta Business Suite for lead generation campaigns. Full guide step. To configure Meta Business Suite for lead generation campaigns, start by logging into your Meta Business Suite account. Once logged in, navigate to the Ads section on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Ads button to begin setting up your campaign. Choose the lead generation objective from the list of campaign options. Next, give your campaign a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Set your campaign budget and schedule according to your needs. Select your target audience by defining demographics, interests, and behaviors. Further refine your audience with custom audiences or look-alike audiences if available. Now, move on to choose your ad placements. You can opt for automatic placements to let Meta decide or select manual placements to specify where your ads will appear. In the ad creation section, upload eye-catching images or videos that align with your campaign message. Write compelling ad copy that highlights your offer and drives users to your lead form. Add a strong call to action that encourages users to engage with your lead generation form. Proceed to set up your lead form by clicking the Create Form button. Choose the type of form you want to create, either more volume or higher intent. Add fields to your form that consider adding custom questions to gather additional information that is important to your campaign. Design your form by adding images or adjusting the layout to make it visually appealing. Include a description that summarizes what users will gain by filling out the form. Enable the option to include a privacy policy link to comply with regulations. Review your form to ensure all elements are accurate and functional. Once satisfied, proceed to finalize your ad settings and click Publish. Once your ad is live, monitor its performance through the Ads Manager dashboard. Track key metrics such as engagement rates, cost per lead, and overall effectiveness. Optimize your campaign based on these metrics to improve lead generation results. Regularly revisit and adjust your targeting, budget, and ad creative as needed. This will ensure your lead generation campaign remains effective and aligned with your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.